Hey guys, we're here at SLE Equipment today outside of Nashville, Tennessee, looking at the Ferris ISX800 with the 24 horsepower Kawasaki. All right, so this Ferris mower has a 60-inch fabricated cutting deck with the ICD cutting systems. It also has your front suspension system, which is right here in the front. Allows for upper and lower control rods that keep the front caster bearings vertical at all times. It also has the quick removal floor pan right here for convenient access to washing and maintenance. That'll lift up like that. Get right in there to the pulleys and all the stuff you need to maintenance. This mower has the foot assisted lever with the cutting height adjustments here. It goes from 1.5 inches all the way up to 5 inches. It's got your cast aluminum greaseable spindles. You'll find them on both sides, tucked on the deck there. This one has the 24 horsepower 726cc FT730 engine from Kawasaki. It comes with a commercial hydro gear ZT34 transaxles with 7-inch cooling fans on it as well. You're looking at a 5-gallon fuel tank. All right, y'all, again, we're right outside of Nashville, Tennessee at SLE Equipment. We're looking at the 2023 Ferris ISX800. We've got trailers to put these things on. We've got all the handhelds you need. Come down here and get you a package today or call us at 615-641-7720.